Coloring coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists! Can you guess what magical character we'll be drawing and coloring today? Let me give you a few clues. She usually wears a beautiful dress. She might live in a castle, and sometimes she has a crown on her head. Can you guess it? That's right. It's a princess. Now, as we begin our drawing, think about all the wonderful details you want to include. A princess often has sparkling eyes, a friendly smile, and maybe even some shiny jewelry. You can give her long flowing hair or a short, bouncy hairstyle. It's all up to your imagination. Don't forget her crown, because every princess deserves one. You can make it tall and pointy like in fairy tales, or small and delicate like a tiara. Next, let's imagine her beautiful gown. Some princesses wear dresses with lots of ruffles and layers, while others like something simple and elegant. You can draw big sleeves, long flowing skirts, or even a magical cape if you'd like. And the best part? You can color it however you want. Who says a princess's dress has to be pink? Maybe your princess loves green, blue, gold, or even rainbow stripes. This is your artwork, so let your creativity shine. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that in real life, princesses from different countries wore very different outfits? For example, Japanese princesses used to wear layered kimonos called junihito, while European princesses often wore dresses with glittering jewels and crowns made of gold. Imagine combining them into one magical outfit. How amazing would that look? Bermuda pink. Now, let's add some magical details around our princess. Maybe she's standing in a castle garden with tall towers behind her. Or maybe she's at a royal ball with twinkling lights and music in the air. You could even draw a friendly animal by her side, like a bird, a unicorn, or a little puppy who is her royal companion. Oh, and before we keep going, if you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share, subscribe, etc.
Light blue.
That way, you won't miss out on all the fun drawings we make together.
Purple. Green.
Here's another fun fact. Did you know that some real princesses were also amazing leaders and warriors? For example, Princess Pingyang from ancient China led an army to help her father become emperor. So your princess could be a brave hero too, holding a sword or shield, ready for adventure. Think about the background. What kind of magical world does your princess live in? Maybe a sparkling castle by the sea, a beautiful forest filled with talking animals, or even a magical kingdom in the clouds. You can decorate the sky with stars, fireworks, or even a big rainbow shining behind her. And don't forget about her accessories: crowns, necklaces, bracelets, or even a magic wand. You can design patterns on her dress: hearts, flowers, stars, or anything you imagine. Want to give her shoes that sparkle like diamonds? Go for it. Want to add a pet dragon flying above her? That would be so cool. Here's another fun fact. In fairy tales, princesses aren't just about wearing crowns. They often have kind hearts and help people in need. Many stories tell us that being a true princess is about being brave, smart, and kind, not just about looking pretty. As you're coloring, think about what makes your princess special. Does she love to read books? Maybe draw her with a stack of colorful books. Does she love adventures? Maybe she's exploring a magical forest with her friends. Your imagination is the most magical tool you have. All right, little artists, our princess drawing is looking so beautiful. I can already tell your princesses are full of magic, kindness, and creativity. Thank you so much for coloring with me today. It was so much fun imagining castles, crowns, and magical worlds together. If you liked the video, come back again and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next videos. I can't wait to see you soon for another fun and colorful adventure. Bye for now, little artists.
Coloring coloriando.